Howdy folks! It has been a little bit of time since I've done just a straight up lawn care video. It's been colder here, a lot of leaves falling, grass has not really grown that much, so I haven't really had the opportunity. But I got a little bit of warmer weather this weekend. It's going to be in the mid 50s, maybe low 60s, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the grass a little bit, maybe put down a little bit of iron just because I can, just because I have it. It's not something that has to be done this time of year, specifically the iron, but I want to see. I have just an old bag of Ironite. I just want to see what kind of results I can get this time of year on this sissy grass, this perennial ryegrass. First, let me give a shout out. I did this over on Instagram to Budget Lawns. I got this shirt from him. I mean, come on. Like I said, I'm gonna wear this anytime and every time I go out with my wife. It's just so classy. Go check out Budget Lawns if you've never seen his channel. So, I'm gonna get the Honda mower out. I'm gonna try to lay some sweet stripes on this perennial ryegrass. Then if I have time, I'm going to put some Ironite down. Striping that well. That just happened. In all honesty, I mean, while it still looks better than dormant grass and it's beautiful, I will say, but it didn't stripe very well. It's just too cold. Grass is not growing very well. It's actually almost got a, let me see if you can tell. Yeah, some just yellow. It looks kind of, has a yellow haze to it, or brown haze. It just doesn't have the quite the pop as it had a few weeks ago before it started cooling down. Over here on the front yard, let's see what we look like here. I mean, it's okay. Stripes are not, I quit caring about the stripes when I got about halfway, when I realized it was just not going to look that good. But you can get a little bit of stripe action going on. Just still the color is not near as defined as it has been. But I just got to mow the grass in December. Does it get any better? I mean, can life get any better than 60 degrees mowing the grass in December? I think not. All right, so Ironite. This is 20% nitrogen, not nitrogen, 20% iron and 1% nitrogen. As you know, I'm sure you know, and I've said many times, nitrogen, it will make your grass a little bit green, but nitrogen is what makes your grass grow. The iron, it has to do with chlorophyll and all that, is what's going to make your grass give that green pop, what makes it green. If you want to increase that green pop, you add iron. Normally I like to do Lawnstar liquid iron. I'm out of it right now, and I'm not even going to bother ordering things right now. Things are kind of delayed, and I'm trying to make an effort to buy more from just local hardware stores and stuff like that. And you can get this from Lowe's. I got this last summer from just one of our local hardware stores. So it doesn't say anything about temperature. I am concerned on how this will work with the temperatures. Over the weekend, I'm gonna have daytime temperatures in the mid 50s, low 60s, and temperatures at night probably in the high 30s. But next week, around Christmas time, it's gonna be in the 40s during the day. So it's gonna be cold. So I wanna try to give it a little bit of a green pop. We'll just see what happens. May not do anything. This is not something you have to do. If you follow me, well, first of all, if you're following me for lawn knowledge, what are you doing? Guys, don't come to me for lawn knowledge. I may drop a little bit here and there, but there's plenty of other guys out there to give you smart tips. If you just want to have fun, stick with me. But anyway, this is going to make it green. We're going to see how it does about making it green with the temperatures dropping next week. The bag says 3 pounds per 1,000. We'll probably do right about that, and then the water in. So we'll see what happens, and if it doesn't work, oh well. I like working in the lawn. I'm not going to worry about measuring. This bag says it can treat up to 5,000 square feet. I have roughly 2,500 square feet on my front side, so I'm just going to do about half the bag over the whole area. If you want to know what it looks like, there you go. And as always, the spreader setting on my Scott spreader for this bag is a spreader setting of 3. Sometimes I usually go under that, so I'll probably go right at that or 2.5. If you just want to dumb it down, just make it really easy for you to make sure you don't get too much, turn it well below what the spreader setting is, and just go multiple directions. You know, like I could go this way, and I could go side to side, just to make sure you get good even coverage over your whole yard, and you don't have to worry about it running out early. All right, folks, that's gonna do it. I really appreciate you watching. So I'll do a follow-up in a couple weeks and let you know if we had any results from this iron. Normally, under normal temperatures, I've never put iron down when it's this cool, and that expecting of cold weather next week. Normally within 3 to 5 days, you'll see a difference with the Ironite. So we'll just see how it goes. I'll let you know. This iron will give it the green pop without pushing growth like nitrogen will, because this has very little nitrogen. So that's going to be it. I'll plan on doing the giveaway video probably in the next week or two. With Christmas coming up and New Year's, it's been kind of crazy with different things going on, and I'm still getting a bunch of comments from people entering, so I'm trying to let that slow down a little bit. I already got this company sent me these blade sharpeners, so I want to do a video trying those out before I send these off, so I can give my honest opinion on it. And I got to get some more shirts in, so I'll do the video on the winter and draw that here in the next week or two. Last thing I want to say before I close this out, tell me what you've liked about my channel this year, some things you like about it, what I do, just the style of it, some things you would like to see me do different, things you don't like about it. Kind of my plans for next season is around March, I'll probably kill this perennial ryegrass off and start preparing for my number 1 to come back, my Bermuda. We're getting rid of this side chick and bringing back number 1 Bermuda. So I'll be killing that and scalping it down, and I'm planning on my major project for 2021 is leveling, getting some sand. So I am looking forward to that. So that's kind of my plans, and then more of the same. Trying to have the nicest lawn in the neighborhood. So I had to come plug my phone in because it's dying. I still do all these videos from an iPhone 5. Hey kids, you know the kids always got to work their way in. I guess since I've reached 1,000 subscribers, maybe I should start working towards investing on a little bit better equipment instead of my old iPhone 5, but we'll get there. So like I said, sorry, my wife's texting me. So I appreciate you watching. Just answer those questions. What you like about my channel, things you like, you dislike, maybe things you'd like to see me do, content you'd like to see me do on the yard, and we'll go from there. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Chris with The Lawn and Life.